Okay guys, ini dia 5008 yang baru This is the new 5008. So let's take a look around first before we start talking about the car. This is a 7-seater. The only difference between this and the 3008 is that this is a 7-seater. Alright, so that's about all. Otherwise, oh, different. Dia punya bumper lain. Nampak bumper dia? Look at the bumper. Okay, the 3008 bumper is different from this. Okay, the 5008 still maintains the same bumper. Passing vehicle, very noisy. Okay, so this color is very nice. Check out the name of the color at the end of the video. I've already done that. I've forgotten what's the name of this color. So memang cantik warna ni. Okay, lain daripada kereta yang biasa lah. So nampak. Okay, let me show you. Saya jauh ke sikit. Ini 3008, ini 5008. Both are sharing the same face, same front bumper, same everything. Okay, except for the length of the car. Kecuali panjang kereta dia lain dan boleh nampak dari sebelah tepi dia punya rim lain. Design rim dia lain. Okay, design rim masih sama masih sama seperti yang lama. Okay, Peugeot 3008 ataupun 5008 yang lama. So kita tengok, saya sudah cerita panjang tadi. Grill ni dinamakan borderless grill. So boleh nampak dia begitu modern dan cantik sekali. Dari segi lampu pun sama. Okay, lampu dia pun sudah update. Ini 2600 lumens tau, dan 4000 lumens highlight. Jangan main-main ni. So this part is fairly interesting, sangat-sangat menarik. Bila kita tengok daripada jauh kan, dia punya design memang cantik lah. Okay, and then the fang really adds to the aggressiveness of the car, right? Compared to the old one, bila kita tengok yang lama tu, lama tak begitu garang dari segi depan. Ini, garang gila boy. Okay, kita tengok kat belakang pula. Dari segi belakang, dia punya lampu 3D. So kita boleh tengok bahawa kalau dari belakang, look at this, attention to details, a lot of patterns, and then you get this 3D 3D kind of like light, I don't know what you call this. Okay, dia punya lampu lah, this 3D thing that will emit the lights, and then you get sequential signal lamps. Okay, bumper belakang sama seperti yang lama. Dan itu sajalah dari luaran. From the exterior, that's about the major changes. Front bumper, front lights and the back lights for the 5008. Let's go inside. Jom kita masuk ke dalam. Okay guys, untuk 5008 ini harga dia. This is the pricing. 5008 Alio yang baru, 177 177. Let me show you the specs. It uses the same engine as the 3008, 1.6 twin screw turbo, 165 horsepower, 240 Nm of torque, 6-speed automatic. Okay, warna dia, the colors, white, pearl white, Amazonite grey, Nera black, and this very special color called emerald crystal. Okay, all cars come with 5 years warranty. Also comes with blind spot monitoring, comes with active lane keep assist, comes with speed limit recognition and driver attention warning. Okay, kita tengok kat dalam. Kita buka. Let's unlock the car. Okay, once we unlock, it will open. Okay, dari segi pintu semuanya sama. Okay, the door is about the same with the old car. Okay, this part is fabric. Jangan lupa ini adalah fabric. Kalau kita tengok kat sini, dalam dia, seat dia memang cantik. The seat is really something else lah. Okay, design of the seat is really something else. Let's check out the cockpit. This is really a cockpit. Okay, ini bukan cockpit main-main. Ini cockpit yang betul. Bila kita masuk dalam, kita tengok kita macam seolah-olah membawa kapal terbang tau. Saya start let me start and I show you the welcome screen Oh. Nampak tak? Begitu cantik sekali. Okey. Sekejap saya kena adjust. Okay, I'm trying to adjust the fan speed. Jangan kuat sangat. Okay, doors are open. It tells you doors are open. And then auto. Oh, that's auto. Sorry. Okay. Very nice kan? Let's try and no. This part. Tengok. DAOS, driving, navigation, personal, minimum. DAOS. Let's try DAOS. Oh, look at that. Begitu mengancam sekali. Driving. Oh. Okay. Navigation. Boleh nampak navigation Area not map. Okay, kita dekat tengah tak tahu mana. So minimum. Ini dia minimum. What else do we have? That's about all. Okay. Ini pula dia punya screen So the new 5008 comes with a updated screen. The screen is 2 inches wider and bigger. So very nice. Oh, pintu dia berat boy. Anyway, the next one is it comes with wireless Qi charger. Dekat bawah ada Qi charger di sana. So siapa yang pakai handphone yang advance, masuk je, tak payah tak payah kabel. Tapi kalau yang nak kabel, dalam ada USB A dengan power socket lah. Okay, driving mode di sini, start stop. Okay, ini dia punya gear lever macam kapal terbang tau, macam kapal terbang. And then ada sport mode. Okay, sport mode. And dia punya cup holder pun memang mewah sikit. Ada lampu waktu malam masa kita minum Starbucks, tak tahu mana nak letak kita punya cawan, nampak ada lampu. Oh, letak kat sini. Okay, dia punya glove box agak besar. Ini dia. Dalam ada lampu ada lampu. So pada siapa yang nak seluduk barang ke Singapura macam chewing gum ke apa, dalam boleh. Ada dalam. There's quite a deep lah. It's quite deep. Agak dalam. So dia punya glove box lebih kurang sama lah, bukan lebih kurang, sama dengan yang lama. Ada fat ada carpet kat dalam. So dia punya design, this car won the World Design Award. So saya tak payah cerita banyak pasal design lah. Design dia memang cantik lah. Okay, very futuristic, very nice, very different from all the other cars. So that's why many ladies will like this car, because this car evoke a certain kind of design element and different kind of emotion with ladies. Look at that, the sexy appeal, the sexiness of the satin chrome garnish. Look at that part, so different So dia punya sini ialah apa, nowadays they like to do vinyl dia buat PVC ataupun vinyl supaya dia tak ada cap tangan Okay, senang untuk dibersihkan. Very big mirrors. They know ladies are gonna own this car. They put very big mirrors. Okay, this part lampu warna putih. Very nice. Untuk buka dia punya panoramic roof, kita cuba. Okay, look dia ada panoramic roof. Tengok. Oi, yo, nampak bumbung ke? Bagus ni. Jangan main-main. Malam-malam nak bawa girlfriend, bawa skandal pergi tengok bintang. Begitu romantis, untung dapat. Kita tutup balik. Okay, so itu depan dia. Kita tengok belakang pula. Jom. Okay, ini 5008. So maka belakang dia lain Belakang dia ada 2 baris. This is the middle row and you have another row at the back. So let me try and see if I can with one hand. I can. Boleh. Okay, this is a very smart move. The seat will move to the front. and then you can actually enter lah. Seat belakang belum naik, so saya tak mau naikkan lah. Siapa yang tak tahu nak tengok, pergi tengok video lama saya. Saya ada buat seat masuk dalam keluar, semua senang Okay, so this is the 5008, comes with 3 rows. You can sit 7 person. So let's check out the lights. Okay, tengok look at the lights when it's turned on. So interesting, 3D boy. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, and then this car comes with kick open. I don't have the key is in the car, so I won't. You want to see the kick open demonstration, go and watch my 3008 video. Okay, comes with power boot. Okay, comes with power boot here, and then with the seat upright, it will be until here lah, sampai sini lah. So maka dengan seat naik kan, you only have this space of room. Okay, tempat letak barang tak banyak. Boleh masuk bag 24 inci mungkin 2 saja. Okay, ataupun 3 lah. Kalau bag yang lembut mungkin lebih banyak. So that's all for the 5008. This part is still the same as the old 5008. So itu dia power boot Oh, memang best ni. Okay, kita tengok lampu depan pula. Apakah rupa lampu depan dia? Ini rupa lampu depan Look at the lights at the front. Okay, lampu depan dia ada taring taring sampai ke bawah. Taring sampai sini. Okay, bawah sini ialah chrome. So the lights are very bright, very shiny. Shine bright like a diamond. Jangan main-main. Okay, so that's all the 5008. Jangan lupa like, share, subscribe. Kita jumpa lagi. Dari segi size, saya tunjukkan dari segi size. Saya tutup pintu dulu. Okay, dari segi size ini ialah size 5008 dan ini pula ialah size 3008. Boleh nampak 3008 lebih kurang 140 lebih milimeter lebih pendek daripada 5008. So itu saja. Jangan lupa like, share, subscribe. Kita jumpa lagi. Bye bye.